My name's Erin Collier and I'm your instructor, and I like to make a video each semester just to give you an idea of what you can expect in your course. I am going to make this video required and put it over in Mymathlab. So if you've already watched the video in Moodle, I can see that you've done that. Just shoot me an email to let me know so I make sure and give you a good grade in Mymathlab for watching it. But to start with, this is Quantitative Literacy 143. If you're in the co-rec class, in my co-rec class, I'll add an additional couple of minutes on to the end of this video discussing that in particular. But the majority of what we're going to do is going to be the same. It's just if you have the co-rec class, you'll have additional assignments. So if you'll look on the Moodle page, the first thing you'll see is my little welcome to you guys, so you can read through that, and my information. I don't have an office. I'm not on campus. I actually live in the mountains, but I'm very good at checking my email. So shoot me an email anytime you have a question, and I will get back to you very, very quickly. The first thing that you need to do after you've read the syllabus and everything is to take the enrollment verification quiz. This is very, very short. It's not really a quiz, but it allows you to stay in this class. If you don't take this enrollment verification quiz, then the college does not know that you want to stay in the class. So you have to take it, and then you will be part of our course. I'll add the syllabus in there, and there's some information from the college in addition on this page. I have a tab called the First Day of Class tab, and it basically goes through everything you need to do the first day of class. So, of course, do your enrollment verification quiz. I'll put our syllabus here and our course intro video there. There's a little video here that'll show you some about how to sign up for Mymathlab and a little bit about that. The video's on a different class, but it's the same information. Here, in addition to our syllabus, is the course ID for our Mymathlab class. You'll be asked to put that in as you go through. And there are instructions here you can click on, and it will walk you through how to sign up. If you have to do a temporary sign up, that is an option. You can get a temporary 2-week trial, but after those 2 weeks, you will have to sign up. You are required to sign up for Mymathlab. If you're not signed up within the first week or so of Mymathlab, I'm going to recommend that you be dropped from the course. Reason being, you have assignments due that second week of the class, and so you would already have missed those if you don't sign up. So please go ahead and sign up for Mymathlab. Like I said, there's a 2-week phase there that if you haven't purchased the access, you can use that, but you'll still have to purchase it in 2 weeks. You can click on this link here and read a little bit about me. I have a syllabus quiz here that you're required to take. This syllabus quiz is just making sure you've read the syllabus, and you'll go through here and answer the questions. I expect you to get a 100 on it, and it'll be an easy 100 over in Mymathlab. I'll transfer it over at some point after it's due, and that'll be an easy 100 for you. And then if you'd like to, you can get right here. You can tell me a little bit about yourself, and I will respond to you. Okay, the calendar. This tells you what you are expected to do each day and what is due on any particular day. Realize that you need to expect to spend 10 to 15 hours per week working in this class. There may be some weeks where you only need to spend 4 or 5. There's maybe a couple weeks that you have to spend 20. It's not likely, but expect around 10 hours a week in this class. Here is a copy of the calendar that you can download and print easily to use for your planning purposes. Just kind of use this as a planner. You can see here I've got the first day, what you're expected to do, and then each day that there is an assignment. The videos, okay, so here this is saying 1E, critical thinking in everyday life. That's the first topic that we're going to discuss. You'll have a video in Mymathlab on that topic, and you are required to watch that video. It's just as if you were going to class, okay? You would have a lecture where the teacher would give you a lecture, and then you would have a time to work on your assignments. So you're going to watch the video. You're going to get credit for watching the video. It does tell me how long you've been in there, if you've watched the whole thing, and give you a grade. And so you'll need to do that over in Mymathlab. Also in Mymathlab will be your homework for this particular topic. So, I've got something extra there. I need to take that out. But basically, you can see what's assigned these 2 days. If there's blanks in between, that just means you can spend that time either catching up from the day before or working ahead. It's up to you. Here you can see that anytime something is due, I've got it bolded here. So this is saying that section 1E and 2A are due on Monday, August 24th. That's just a week from now, or less if you're not watching this video on Monday. So make sure you're signed up for Mymathlab again. These 2 videos should be watched by this time for you to get credit, and these 2 homeworks are due on that day by midnight, or 11:59 p.m. Okay? And then you can see that Wednesday your enrollment verification quiz is due, so make sure you complete that. And then beyond that, you can see mainly things are due on Mondays, but it just depends. If a holiday falls on a Monday or if a test falls weird, then you may be due on another day. And I put a little asterisk by it so you'll know, just to keep it easy to see. Your reviews are also required. You have a homework for each section, and you have a review for each chapter and a test for each chapter. All that is required in addition to the lectures. And so that's basically how it goes for the entire semester. Under the Resources tab, there's your announcements here. So anytime I send out an announcement, you'll want to look at this at least every day or two to make sure that I haven't said something that you need to know, or made a change or something like that. The handouts, these are handouts that I create to go along with the videos. I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. But I've put them all here for you, so you can click on this, download it, and go print it very easily. The handouts are, here I'll go ahead and show you. They go along with the videos, and they're very useful because you don't have to write down everything. So you can see with this section, I've got anything you need to know for the section up here at the top, and then examples down here, and you'll just fill in the examples as you watch the video. You won't have to write down the example, just the work. So everything's all laid out here for you so that you don't have to go spend the time copying everything from the videos unless you just want to. My mouse stopped working. Okay. And then under the Resources tab, there's also a few other things like anything you might need to know during the semester, like conversions there, Mymathlab tips and information, You may not need that, so I don't have it published yet. If we need it, we'll talk about it later. If you click on each unit, I've got a little video here that just kind of gives you an introduction to my videos, why I make them, so I don't have to include it in this one, and a little bit about the cats you'll hear in the background occasionally. So watch that. It's really short. It's not on this class in particular, but it still applies to this class. And then in addition, under each unit, you'll find resources like the fact sheet for the unit. I make a sheet at the end of each chapter that's got everything you need to know from the chapter in one place for you to use. Also, there are the handouts for that particular chapter. If you didn't print them all at once, you can look at them there. And then under the review and final, there will be information there also. Let's look over at Mymathlab. So when you go into Assignment Manager, and again, watch the Mymathlab video, and it'll tell you a little bit more about where to go, when, and all that. But I just want to give you a little snippet here. This is, here you can see, here's your video and the assignment for the first section. Video, assignment, your review, and the test. Okay? The videos, I try to keep them short, but then I want to make sure you have all the examples you might need in there. But I cover that more in that little intro video here. Okay? Okay. Well, I think we'll glance at the syllabus, make sure there's not anything else I need to cover with you here. I think we're good. I'll add on anything else I need to the end of the video if I need to. But basically, welcome you to the class. Send me an email anytime you have a question. If you need assistance on something, I'd be glad to help. And have a great day.